Stop relying on theory. SAP has changed. The BTP Administrator exam is no longer about memorizing. It's about performing real tasks in a live system. Most candidates don't fail from lack of knowledge. They fail from lack of hands-on experience. In this video, you'll face real exam scenarios and think like an SAP administrator. Because in the actual exam, you won't get just MCQs. You'll solve problems like these. So let's start with your first real-world task. Scenario 1. Subaccount Setup and Entitlements. A company wants to create a new BTP subaccount for their development team. Objective: set up subaccount and assign entitlements. Go to your global account. Click Create Subaccount. Choose region, environment, and name. Now comes the critical part: entitlements. Navigate to Entitlements. Assign service plans. If entitlements are missing, your task is marked incomplete, even if the subaccount exists. Scenario 2. User roles and authorization. Developers need access to deploy applications. Objective: assign role collections. Go to Security, then Users. Select the user and assign a role collection. For example, the Space Developer role for Cloud Foundry. Common mistakes include assigning individual roles instead of collections and missing required permissions. For validation, ensure the user can log in and deploy. Exam Insight: SAP evaluates functional access, not just configuration. If you want to practice these exact SAP exam tasks in a real exam-like environment, you can try hands-on simulations and real scenario-based questions on certshero.com, because watching is not enough. You need to perform. Scenario 3. Destination configuration. Connect SAP BTP to an external API or S/4HANA system. Objective: create destination. Go to Connectivity, then Destinations, and click New Destination. Enter the URL, authentication type, and proxy settings. Common mistakes include using an incorrect authentication type, missing URL format, and not testing the connection. For validation, look for the Connection Successful message. Exam Insight: if the connection fails, partial marks are not given. Scenario 4. Cloud Foundry Setup. Prepare environment for app deployment. Objective: create space and assign roles. Enable Cloud Foundry. Create a space inside your org and assign developer roles. Common mistakes include skipping org setup and not assigning a memory quota. For validation, ensure the space is active and usable. Exam Insight: sequence matters. Wrong order equals task failure. Scenario 5. Monitoring and quotas. System performance issue. Objective: monitor usage and fix quota. Check usage metrics, identify quota limits, and adjust entitlements if needed. Common mistakes include ignoring alerts and misreading metrics. For validation, ensure the system is running smoothly. Exam Insight: SAP tests your ability to diagnose, not just configure. In this video, you didn't just learn SAP BTP, you performed real exam tasks, and this is exactly how the new SAP exams work. If you're serious about passing, stop watching and start practicing. Go to certshero.com and test yourself with real SAP exam simulations, task-based questions, and full mock exams. Because in SAP, success depends on one thing: execution.